What is GetResponse? GetResponse is an email marketing app that permits you to create a list of mails and capture data onto it. Send emails to the subscribers on your listing. Automate your emails to subscribers via use of autoresponders. View and analyze statistics associated with your email campaigns, open rate, click-through, forwards, etc. In recent years, however, GetResponse has shifted its emphasis considerably. The merchandise now aims to be more of an all-in-one e-commerce and marketing solution instead of just an email marketing tool. Accordingly, additionally to email marketing, GetResponse now also provides e-commerce features, webinar hosting, landing pages and automatic sales funnels. GetResponse has been in business since 1998 and, in line with the corporate, over 350,000 individuals and businesses now use the platform for his or her email campaigns. Whilst this user base isn't as big as those for a few other email marketing tools, notably MailChimp, it's large enough to supply confidence that the corporate is well established and isn't likely to disappear anytime soon. GetResponse key features. Landing pages. GetResponse is one amongst few email marketing platforms which offers pre-made landing pages that may be utilized to gather emails. You'll be able to edit these landing pages and find them live quickly and simply. Sales, opt-in, download, and promo pages are all available to GetResponse users. These pages are fully compatible with mobile devices, are proven to convert well, and appearance slick and professional. Email broadcasts. Send a one-time email broadcast to your list with the choice of sending immediately or scheduling them using perfect timing. With GetResponse, enjoy access to over 500 prime quality and professional HTML templates that may be easily edited. Autoresponders. GetResponse's autoresponders allow you to make a series of emails and so set them to send automatically whenever a brand new subscriber signs up to your list. GetResponse's autoresponders also can generate various statistics like open and click-on rates. Who can benefit from GetResponse? Business owners, inclusive entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Any internet marketer. Bloggers and content creators. Any advanced internet marketer. Anyone involved in e-commerce that might prefer to increase their revenue through email marketing. Product owners or product creators that want to extend their revenue through email marketing. Basically, anyone curious about email list building and email marketing. What you think now about GetResponse? You should give it a try for GetResponse's 30-day free trial, and then you decide. GetResponse does provide the subsequent 4 price plans. Email, perfect for email marketing beginners. It's most of the specified features, and up to 1,000 subscribers, $15 per month. Pro, perfect for little business or for any marketer that needs more features, $49 per month. Max, mainly for advanced or professional marketers with needs for advanced features, $165 per month. Enterprise, mainly for businesses seeking higher performance solutions, mid to large size businesses, -$799 per month. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe and like. There are links in the description box that will be useful to you.